Well, I think we are seeing the most disruptive force in history here.
My belief is that all repetitive human work that doesn't require the deep emotional connection between two people, that will all be done in the next couple of decades, better, cheaper, faster by AI.
Your apps are about to become obsolete. AI is taking over. And today we're revealing 14 powerful AI tools that can replace nearly 90% of them. These aren't just minor upgrades. These tools are reshaping how we write, create, manage money, and so much more. But here's the real reason to stick around. Not only will you learn what's replacing your favorite apps, but you'll also discover how these tools are already changing industries and lives. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming at the end. Let's jump straight into the future of AI. Number 14, GitHub CoPilot X. Let's kick off the list with something that's revolutionizing coding. GitHub CoPilot X. This AI tool has become a game changer for developers, offering real-time code suggestions and even debugging support. Whether you're writing in Python, JavaScript, or C++, Copilot understands your context and predicts the next lines of code you need. Developers no longer need to switch between multiple IDEs, coding forms, and documentation. Copilot integrates directly into platforms like Visual Studio Code, making it easy to debug, optimize, and complete projects faster than ever before. It's not just a time saver, it's also helping developers write cleaner, more efficient code. Number 13, Google's AI overviews for search. When was the last time you scrolled through dozens of search results to find the answer you needed? Google's AI overviews aim to eliminate that hassle by providing concise, AI-generated summaries at the top of your search results. These summaries analyze the web to give you instant answers, cutting down on time spent clicking through links. For example, instead of reading 5 articles about the benefits of intermittent fasting, Google's AI will summarize the key points for you in seconds. This tool is already rolling out in beta, and it's clear that it has the potential to reshape how we gather information online. Number 12, Duolingos AI Tutor. Language learning has always been a challenge, but Duolingo's AI Tutor is changing the game. Using advanced machine learning, it personalizes lessons based on your progress, strengths, and weaknesses. This isn't just about memorizing vocabulary. It's about understanding how you learn best. What makes this tool stand out is its real-time feedback. Whether you're practicing pronunciation or answering grammar questions, the AI adapts on the fly, providing corrections and explanations instantly. It's like having a personal language coach, but without the hefty price tag. Number 11, Adobe Photoshops Generative Fill. Photo editing just got a lot smarter with Adobe Photoshops Generative Fill. This AI tool allows users to make complex edits by simply describing what they want. Need to replace a background? Just type it out, and the AI will generate options for you. Want to adjust lighting or change someone's expression? It's all possible with just a few clicks. What's impressive is how seamless and realistic these edits look, even for beginners. Generative Fill is making professional-level photo editing accessible to anyone, whether you're a social media creator or a graphic designer. Number 10, Amazon Alexa's AI smart home integration. Managing a smart home can sometimes feel like juggling a dozen apps. Alexa's AI integration aims to simplify that by automating tasks based on your habits. For example, it learns when you typically adjust the thermostat, turn off lights, or play music and starts doing it automatically. It's not just about convenience. This tool creates a unified smart home experience, integrating with lighting systems, security cameras, and even entertainment devices. Instead of opening multiple apps to control your home, Alexa handles it all in one place. Number 9, Shopify's AI-powered marketing kit. If you've ever run a small business, you know how time-consuming marketing can be. Shopify's AI marketing kit is designed to handle tasks like creating social media posts, email campaigns, and even optimizing ad strategies. It's not just automating these tasks, it's learning from your business data to make them more effective. For instance, if you're running a sale, the AI can craft personalized emails and suggest the best times to post about it on social media. It's a tool that empowers business owners to focus on their products, not the technicalities of marketing. Number 8, Zendesk's AI chatbot updates. Customer support has always been a cornerstone of good business, and Zendesk's AI chatbot is redefining how companies handle it. These chatbots are capable of providing instant, multilingual support and analyzing customer queries to predict future issues. They can handle common problems seamlessly while escalating more complex cases to human agents. Imagine being able to answer 70% of your customers' questions instantly, no matter the time of day. That's the promise Zendesk delivers, helping companies save time and improve customer satisfaction. Number 7, HireVue's video interview analyzers. Hiring the right candidate can be a complex process, but HireVue is simplifying it with AI-powered video interview analyzers. This tool goes beyond traditional resume screening by analyzing behavioral cues during video interviews to assess candidates' potential and fit for the role. It provides recruiters with data-driven insights, reducing the reliance on subjective impressions. HireVue also automates initial resume screening, saving countless hours for HR teams. What sets it apart is its potential to minimize unconscious bias in hiring, offering a more equitable and efficient recruitment process. For companies seeking smarter hiring decisions, this is a game changer. Number 6, Adaah Healths Symptom Tracker. Adaah Healths AI Symptom Tracker is transforming how we manage our health. By integrating with wearable devices, this tool monitors real-time health data, such as heart rate or activity levels, and provides personalized advice based on symptoms. It's like having a virtual health assistant 24/7. What makes Adaah Health unique is its ability to guide users toward appropriate care, whether that's a doctor's visit or home remedies. For example, if you're feeling under the weather, Adaah can analyze your symptoms and offer tailored suggestions, helping you catch potential health issues early without unnecessary doctor visits. Number 5, Cleos Smart Spending Coach. Managing finances can feel overwhelming, but Cleos Smart Spending Coach is reimagining personal finance with AI-driven insights. Cleo analyzes your spending habits and provides custom budgeting advice, making it easy to track where your money goes and how to save more effectively. This AI-powered tool even helps set savings goals tailored to your financial needs. For instance, if you're saving for a vacation, Cleo can suggest daily spending limits to help you stay on track. It's like having a personal financial advisor, but without the fees. Cleo empowers users to take control of their finances with ease and precision. Number 4, Runway ML for seamless video creation. Video editing no longer requires advanced skills thanks to Runway ML. This AI-powered tool automates complex editing tasks such as background replacement, motion tracking, and even object removal. Whether you're creating social media content or working on a professional project, Runway ML simplifies the process. With its user-friendly interface, even beginners can produce studio-quality visuals in minutes. For example, you can replace a green screen background with a realistic environment with just a few clicks. Runway ML is a tool that bridges the gap between creativity and technology, empowering creators to bring their visions to life effortlessly. Number 3, Aviva's latest composition update. Aviva is changing the game in music creation. This AI tool allows users to generate custom soundtracks tailored to their projects, whether it's for videos, games, or presentations. By selecting a genre or mood, users can create professional quality compositions in minutes. For instance, if you need an inspiring orchestral track for a promotional video, Aviva can compose one that fits perfectly. This tool eliminates the need for stock music libraries, giving creators full control over their audio. With its adaptability and ease of use, Aviva puts the power of music production in everyone's hands. Number 2, GPT Plus for writing mastery. When it comes to content creation, GPT Plus is in a league of its own. Powered by GPT-4, this AI tool excels at generating high-quality text for various use cases, from emails to articles and even YouTube scripts. Its versatility and accuracy make it an invaluable tool for professionals and creators alike. Imagine drafting an entire blog post or brainstorming new ideas in minutes. ChatGPT makes it possible. Its ability to adapt to different writing styles ensures that every piece of content is polished and professional. Whether you're writing for work or personal projects, ChatGPT Plus is a powerful partner in creativity. Number 1, Clickup's AI-powered workflow enhancements. At the top of our list is Clickup, a productivity tool that takes project management to the next level. Clickup's AI features analyze team performance, predict deadlines, and suggests task prioritization to optimize workflows. It's designed to streamline collaboration and eliminate inefficiencies. For instance, if a project is falling behind, Clickup can identify the bottlenecks and recommend solutions to get things back on track. By consolidating multiple project management functions into one platform, it replaces the need for several apps. Clickup isn't just a tool, it's a productivity powerhouse. And there you have it, the 14 new AI tools poised to replace 90% of your apps. These groundbreaking innovations are simplifying tasks, boosting efficiency, and reshaping how we use technology. Which tool are you most excited about? If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more chilling stories, watch the recommended video on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.